Okay, let's do the elliptic paraboloid. Download and launch it. So in this spreadsheet, what you can see is we have the equation for the elliptic paraboloid. It's kind of a bowl, and so things are changing in x and y. So and we've already set it up so that we know where to put the names for a and b, the variables. So we can just click in the A cell, formulas, define name A, and notice it says scope is workbook here. So it's just going to, the variable is only going to be defined in this workbook. You could imagine defining it for a single spreadsheet, but that's not what we need at the moment. Okay, let's do B, define name. Alright, now let's type the equation in. So equals A, I can just actually type the variable. I don't have to click in that cell, times, open parentheses, x times squared plus, and then let's do b times open parentheses y squared close parentheses. Okay, so now there's nothing there because we have no values in there. So we do a 1 and a 1. Okay, we got 2. So that seems nice. If I just fill down and I fill over, you look and you think, something's not quite right, because this is 10 to the 152nd. It's like the size of the universe. Well, it's because if we look, we see that the values are incrementing and they're basically piling up on each other, and the relative referencing is in full effect. So what we need to do is try this thing, semi-relative referencing. So if you put a dollar in front of the B and you put a dollar after the C, and then we fill down, what we see very nicely is that we've incremented, but when we click here, for example, we're still only using C7, which is the y value we want, and we've incremented B to B16. And now if we then take this entire row and drag it over to here, we see that things look a little bit more stable. So let's see what it looks like. So if we keep that group of computations highlighted and go to Insert, Other Charts, Surface, you see there we have a nice paraboloid. And let's drag it over here so we can see it. If we change A to 2, it gets a little bit more elongate. And if we make B 0, it's more like a taco, so on.